This will be an unbagging of my Ipsy for May 2020. Hi, it's been a while that I haven't done a video like this one. And as the title said, this will be an unbagging of my Ipsy for May 2020. Now, why is this so late? To be honest, I got lazy doing an unboxing video because I haven't had any boxes for quite a while. Well, it's been like maybe around 2 to 3 months, right? And maybe I slacked. Not really maybe, but honestly, I slacked on doing an unboxing video. So, we're not gonna do this any longer, and it's been very late. This is, like I said, the May 2020 of Ipsy. Sorry, did I say Ipsy? Yeah. So Ipsy May 2020, and the bag looks like this. Okay, and inside I see this brush, and this is from, what is this? So this is from Farah. I don't know if you can see that. And I'll try to put a picture of this one in the screen for a closer look. Oops, what is this? Where did I get that? Sorry for the interruption. I didn't expect that to be there. Maybe I touched something earlier and it got in my hand. Okay, so that's the first one, and this is the Farah, and it's a blending brush, right? Okay, and let's put this back here. Okay, I don't want to make this video long, okay? So, and sorry, here's a card. But I don't think this will, because I saw some video that the card doesn't have anything about the products, like information about the products anymore. So, the May 2020, get that glow. And the back is like that. This doesn't, no more use for this because it's past, it's already July. So, ooh. There is no information about the products in the bag. Okay, so this is mostly like a tip about like how to do the highlighter. Let's move on. And the next thing that I'm seeing here is the Surosi. This is an eye cream. So, a Spotlight eye cream. Spotlight eye cream provides long-lasting moisture, brightness, and firmness when applied to the under eye area. And this is made in Korea. And the next one here is, ooh, this one I like. This is the Black Mascara Roller Lash from Benefit. And it says black. And this is how it looks like. Okay, let's try to do this quick. And the next one here is from One Kind, and this is a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Oh, okay, and this one is manufactured in Canada. And that's how it looks like. And the last but not the least here is from Wonder Beauty. And this is the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. Sorry, you might be hearing dogs. Sorry for the noise. And like I said, oh, this is a light medium shade. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how it is. And yep, so recap. This one, the liquid foundation, the brush, the mascara, the nighttime moisturizer, and the eye cream. So, am I gonna be using everything? Yes. Everything I love in this bag. I like eye cream. Although I have quite a bit of eye cream, but I give some to my friends. So this one, I like moisturizer, and definitely the mascara, and of course the foundation. Actually, to be honest, I haven't been using foundation lately because when you go to work, you wear a mask and it's so hot on the skin when you wear foundation when you're wearing a mask, right? So right now, mostly I do lip balm and sometimes a mascara and eyeshadow. So basically what I do now, nothing on the face, like bare skin. Sometimes I put a moisturizer or a serum, but from here down, this is like lip balm. Is only for moisturizing your lips, right? But only here. So only here I do most of the time. And yep, that's it. Oh, the inside of the bag looks like this. Oh, I really like the inside of the bag because it's yellow and there's the Ipsy logo and it's like that. So yep, I'm happy for the May. And you know why I got this? Actually, I forgot to skip this month, and I thought I did, but I didn't. And again, the July one, I have one coming because again, I forgot to skip. But that's the only one I have. The Ipsy for July, I have that coming, and I don't have it's only the regular bag. I don't have the plus, and I already canceled my ultimate, and I also canceled already my BoxyCharm. So basically, I don't have any more subscription right now except for Ipsy because you can skip the month. And yeah, that's it. Oh, by the way, Ipsy regular bag is Ipsy Glam Bag regular bag. What? Sorry, I'm not used to doing this anymore. So sometimes I'm babbling, but again, Ipsy Glam Bag is $12 a month, and you will receive 5 deluxe sample size products. Sometimes you also get a full size product like the brush, okay? And it's so worth it because it's like the bag is the 6th item for your subscription of $12. So worth it because the brush, I think, already covered the cost of the bag. My channel right now is like mixed videos, right? I do have the game videos that I do because of what's going on right now, that mostly I'm at home, so I do games and I put that on my channel. And then I put what do you call that, the videos of going around, like I tour you here in the island. So basically that's what's going on in my channel right now, and I really appreciate it that you still watch my videos. And yeah, thank you very much for watching again, and hope to see you in my next video. And please stay safe always. Thank you. Bye bye.